In the one, I think speed revision 3 है.
SpeedRevision 2
Yeah, 2.
is 2.
2. Speed revision 2, right? Right. Okay, then please write speed revision 2. We have missed this one. අපි මේක පොඩ්ඩක් miss වුණා හරි. Right. Speed revision 2. So when we are doing the speed revision 2, right? The thing that we are going to do is I will write down some questions, right? In the board. So you have to. Okay.
සර් ස්පීඩ් ඩිවිෂන් කියන්නේ එක්සස් බුක් එකකින් ලියන්න ඕනේ නැත්නම් මේක වෙන පොතක් තියනවද?
No, you have to use a separate book. හරි? ඒකට වෙන පොතක් තියාගන්න ඕනේ. මම මේ group එකට දැම්ම වෙන්නේ. හරි? සමහරට මතක දෙන්න. හරි? So මේ speed revision වලට when you are doing the speed revision and mixed questions, keep a separate book for that. Right? If it is a CR book, single rule CR book, it would be great. එහෙම එකක් නම් හොඳයි. හරි? But yes. So this speed revision 2, in the speed revision 2, what I am going to do is I am writing some different question, right, on the board. So same time you have to provide the answer. What available, right? You have to provide the answer, right, for the question same time. I am writing it very fast. So you have to write the question very fast and you have to give the answer at the same time on the spot. Alright? Then I will give you like 2 minutes, 3 minutes to do. Then I will begin discussing. Okay? Alright. Okay, now we are going to begin. Now. Alright? Right. Right. Guys, don't do unnecessary chats. Don't do unnecessary chats, sir. So what's happening out there? Forward. Let's look. First question, right? If P equals prime numbers between 1 and 10. Right? Comma. Illustrate P in a Venn diagram. Right? Illustrate P in a Venn diagram. Second question. Find the least common multiple of find LCM of 8, 12, 24. Third question. expressed as a multiple of powers. Um, A times B times B times A times C times C. Find the perimeter. Right? General term. Right? General term. Find find 10th term. Do it fast. Do it fast. Takkar again. Right? Do it fast. Right. Okay, Chandra, send me the answer source. Right. I will give another 2 minutes. Right? 1.5 minutes. Right? If you do not know any answer for a particular question, right? Don't waste your time on that. If you do not answer for the first question, skip and move to the second one. If you do not know, skip, move to the third one. So on and so forth. Right? So that this is the place that you can find your weaknesses. Right? ඔයාගේ weakness තියෙන තැන් අඳුර ගන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Then you can pay more attention on those points. Right? Pay more attention on those points. And this is where you make sure you have a greater speed. Right? Because I am touching each and everywhere of the previous questions. Right? Okay. I will give you another 30 seconds to complete. 30 seconds. Then I will start discussing. Yeah. Right. Another 15 seconds remaining. Another 15 seconds remaining. Okay. Right, okay. Now time's up. I will begin discussing. Right, I will begin this. Now, Pute, focus on the board. I will do the discussion. Right. So now this is from sets. Right. If P equals open bracket prime numbers between 1 and 10. Prime numbers, not odd numbers, but prime numbers, not odd, prime. Right. So first, they are saying prime numbers between 1 and 10 illustrate P in the Venn diagram. So first of all, I can write down this one, right? So P equals open curly bracket. What are the prime numbers between 1 and 10? So first prime number is 2, the next prime number is 3, then 5, then 7. 9 is not the prime number because it is having more than 2 factors, right? 9 is not the prime number, so prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7 between 1 and 10, right? 2, only 2 factors, 3, only 2 factors, 5, only 2 factors, 7, only 2 factors. 2 can be divided by 1 and itself only. 3 can be divided by 1 and by using the same number, 3. 5 can be divided by 1 and by using the same number, right? 7 can be only divided by 1 and itself, right? Only 2 factors for prime numbers. So we can use a Venn diagram to display this one. This is not a circle, but this is an ellipse. Ellipse. We are telling this ellipse. And the name of this Venn diagram is P. Inside this, you have to display 2, 3, 5, and 7. Like this. This is the answer for the first question. Find LCM. LCM means least common multiple. Right? 8, 12, 24. When you are finding the least common multiple of those three numbers, you have to use prime numbers to divide each and every number until you get 1, 1, 1 at the end, right? So I can write 8, 12, 24 divided by smallest prime number 2. Super. Right? 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 6, 12, 2 times 12, 24. Come. Again, I can use 2 to divide each and every one of these. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 6. Come. Again, I can use 2 because we have 2 here and 6 here, right? 2 times 1, 2. I have obtained 1 here, right? 3 cannot be divided by 2, so you have to keep it as it is, 2 times 3. Right? Now here we have 3, 3, so you have to use 3 to divide. Right? Here you have 1, keep as it is 1, 3 times 1, 3 times 1. So these are the numbers that you can use to obtain LCM. How we are going to find the LCM? LCM can be obtained by multiplying these numbers together. Right? 2 times 3 times 3 equal 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 times 3, 36. So your LCM is 36. Your answer should be 36. Correct? Expressed as a multiple of powers A times B times B times A times C times C. So Buddha equal mark. How many A's are there? 2. So I will write those 2 A's at the single place like this. So I have completed this one and done this one. So how many B's? 2 B's. B times B. Done. Done. C's? Yes. C times C. A times A. A to the power 2. A square. So you can write this as A square. Right? Multiply. Right? B to the power, B times B. B to the power 2. B square. Multiply. C times C. C to the power 2. C square. So this is your answer. Expressed as a multiple of powers. Multiple of
Sir,
powers.
excuse me, sir.
Okay.
The LCM 2 into 2 into 2 into 3.
2 times 2, 4. 4 times. Yes, Pudi. Yes, yes. This is 2, ne?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Bharat. Nearby, yeah? Bharat has improved, ne? Right, super. Right? Thank you, Bharat, for that. Right? 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 3, 24. I have made a mistake. Nearby. Right? Okay, Mama වැරද්දක් කරත් දැන් you guys can see. හරි super. Thank you, excellent. හරි නියමයි. So this is the answer for this one. Right? Make express as a multiple of powers. Powers multiple. Multiple of powers. Multiple of powers. This should be the answer. This one. Find the perimeter. These are from grade 7. හරිද? Perimeter can be written down as P equals, so I will begin from here, right? 3A plus 4B plus 2A plus 3B. You have to add like terms, ne? Apple plus apple, 2 apples, annasi plus annasi, 2 annasi, right? Dodam plus dodam, 2 dodam, likewise you have to add, right? So here you have term A. Are there any term A? Yes, here. Make 3 apples plus 2 apples. 3A plus 2A, 5A. Right? You can directly write 5A. So we have done this. So you have B terms. Are there any B terms except for B? Yes, 3B.
3.
Yes. B means balls now. 4 balls plus 3 balls. 7 balls. So perimeter is this. Perimeter. Right? What is this? Fifth one. You are familiar with this one, ne? So 1, 3, 5, 7. මොනවද?
Sir. Sir.
ඔච්චර.
හතරවෙනි එකට මේ 2A plus 3 දාන්න පුළුවන්.
2A plus
3A.
කවුද?
මේ 2A plus 3A දාන්න පුළුවන්. එකතු කරන්න පුළුවන්.
2A plus 3A දාලා. චිරද්ද?
ඔව්.
Doesn't matter. Right, okay, so this is the general term. So what is the general term of the odd number pattern? 1, 3, 5, 0.
What?
Yeah.
2n minus 1.
Yes, super. 2n minus 1. That is the general term. If you want to find the 10th term, what you are going to do? You are going to substitute n equals 10 here. Main method. You are going to substitute n equals 10. 2 times, instead of n, you are going to substitute 10 minus 1. 2 times 10, 20.
19.
Yes, the answer is
9.
right, Budhi. It's 850, 55, right? Sorry. අර මේ වගේ වෙලාවට ඕගොල්ලෝ පුතේ මේ බඩගිනි නම් අම්මලාට කියලා කවා ගන්න හරි doesn't matter රෑ වෙනකන් ඉන්න එපා gastritis වැඩි වෙයි හරිද however I will make mathematics right as your most favorable subject at the end of the year right so no need to take any doubt හරි okay පුතේ so
සර් අංක සෝල් කරේ
super නියමයි